Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll until you will find apps. Let's enter. Now we have to tap on the manage apps and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. On the third position we've got reset up preferences, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the info that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps. What's more, you won't lose any app data, so no worries, just tap on reset apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.